Out with the old and in with the new. I've been meaning to do this for a while. Finally, we're unboxing my contents too together. Yeah, not just about the tripod. We also have this that we're unboxing together. I mean the mic, the lights, and also the tripod. Let's go. Okay, so I bought this A1588 and I'm just gonna tell you things I love about this tripod. Okay, so if you're willing to get the trending tripod, I'm not gonna mention the name. If you're willing to get the trending tripod, I would advise you not to get that trending tripod. Rather, go for something that is stable so that your phone is not gonna cry. I mean, and it comes with a carrier bag, which makes sense actually. And here we have the tripod. And one trick about this tripod is you have to twist and lock. Do you get? Like if you want it to be long, you have to twist. No, it depends on how the height you actually want it to be. Do you understand? So you just have to keep twisting and keep locking. But if you're not a patient type, I would say you should avoid this tripod. But if you're after stability, you just want to go for this tripod because yeah. And no matter how long it is, it's not gonna get thin. Do you understand? So yeah. And so we have this. Can you see? Look at it. So you just have to keep twisting this gold ring. You can see you twist and you lock. Can you see that? So you just have to keep twisting and you keep locking like this. Now, and this tripod is actually 7 feet tall. Can you imagine? 7 feet tall. So, like I said before, the trick is you twist and top. Where it go? You twist and lock, twist and lock, twist and lock. You see, I said if you're not a patient type, this tripod is not for you. But if you're after stability, you just want to get this tripod. Yes, so that's yeah, it is 7 feet tall, by the way, 7 feet tall. And it also comes with a Bluetooth shutter, just to make things easier. You can see, it comes with Bluetooth shutter, and also where you can plug your, where you can put your lights, your influencer lights here. Yeah, so that's it. And this is where you can, this is where you're gonna put your phone. Can you see that? So, can you see that? Hi, by the way, I'm tall. And let's unbox the light together. So this is photography fuel light, and it comes with this charger, this cord, and this screw, I don't know, clip, and external 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It also comes with 6 external what? External clip. Yeah, external clip. Manual. Light can blind your enemy. I'm not even gonna lie. So, oh, can you see? Don't worry, I'm still gonna test it for you. Like I'm still gonna fix it together and go to a dark place so you can see how bright this light is. So I'll turn it off now. This light is really bright, like really bright. So, and we have this wireless mic. Can you see this wireless mic? It doesn't have a name, just wireless mic. So yeah. So it comes like this. For Android, iPhone, manual, and cord. Yes, cord. So we have this. So this is what it looks like. Can you see? And it's really light, not heavy. So we have the receiver, and we also have the mic. So this is what the mic is. This is what the mic looks like. Can you see? And the clip is magnetic. You see that? Ta-da! So yeah, that is all. So let me just fix it together. Maybe I should just clip it to my phone because I need to check the manual and I don't want to waste your time. So I've connected the mic. I want to close the window so that I can turn on the light, which is the influencer light. You can see my living room is really dark, so I'm just gonna. I hope you can see that. So I don't want it to look as if maybe, oh, she's lying and all of that. Do you see that? Okay, I want to turn the lights on now. Oh, can you? It's so bright. Oh, you guys, no more only airdrop tutorial. Yes, you're not doing only airdrop tutorial. It's fat. Look at it. Eh? Like, just take a look at this video. It's really bright. So I want to change it so warm. Can you see that? This lights really makes sense. So what? I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. Yeah, I'm speechless. I'm speechless. I don't know. Okay, but I don't know how I'm sounding. I just hope that this microphone, this mic did not disappoint me. Love you. So yes, so that is all for today. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will definitely see you in my next video. So let me know in the comment section, do you like what I bought? And for me, I really love them because for the tripod is really stable and is not, and it's also 7 feet tall. By the way, I'm tall as well. And yeah, the mic, I don't know about the mic yet, but I think the mic is also gonna give me what I want. This is not my dream mic actually, but before then, I really love DJ High and Holland Lachem too. So before then, I can still be using this one. Yeah, I just hope that this is still on. Okay, I just hope that this might give me what I want, as a beginner. So yeah, that's all. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.